Hey there, I'm Delroy with AutoZone. Today, we're talking about why it's important to change your brake fluid. The braking system in your car is hydraulic, meaning it uses fluid to transfer pressure. In this case, pressure from your foot to the caliper, which compresses pads on the rotors and stops the car. There are 4 types of brake fluid available. Most cars use .3 or .4, but you may also find vehicles that use .5 or .5.1. DOT stands for Department of Transportation, who set the standards for the fluid. Fluids are classified by their makeup and boiling point, so you always want to get the right brake fluid for your car. Brake fluid has an extremely high boiling point to resist heat while braking, but it's also hygroscopic, meaning it attracts water. When water enters the system, it will lower the boiling point of the fluid, which can cause brake fade or the pedal to feel spongy. It's also corrosive to the braking system. This and other contaminants will make your brake fluid less effective. To stay safe as possible, it's recommended to flush and fill your brake fluid every 2 to 4 years, or as recommended by your manufacturer. To learn how to do that, check out our video here. Remember to always purchase the right brake fluid for your vehicle. You can find this information in your owner's manual or from an AutoZoner. Check out more helpful how-tos on our YouTube channel and be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.